What up everyone, this is Moteros and today I'm going to show you how to fix the ADVAPI32.dll not working on your Windows 7 device. So basically the error that says cannot be located in the dynamic link library. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. All you need to do is essentially install this Windows update here. So if you just Google KB3080149, you will come to two pages basically. One is this one and one is the 64-bit one. See whichever one obviously is your computer. And then all you do is, again, this is directly from Microsoft's website. You just download it and install this update on your Windows 7 device. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Whatever application or whatever you were utilizing this for, that error will not pop up and you guys should be good to go. That's it. That's all you need to do is essentially install this. I believe it's like a security update that you need to essentially install for it to work. Just be cognizant that you do it for your right version, either the 64 or the normal one. So just make sure you do that right one, and that's it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.